Math Gad.
Ohmathgad everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about the difference of squares. We're going to explain a little bit about this polynomial identity and how we can actually use it when we're facing a problem. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be taking a look of when explaining the difference of square is actually the formula. Well, if we have two quantities, right, and we have a subtraction of these two quantities, we can actually take the square root out of the first one and the square root out of the second one, and we can express this difference as the product of the addition of these square roots by the subtraction of the square roots, right? So if we have two quantities, we would take the square root of the first one and we would take the square root out of the second one, and we can express a product of the square root plus the second square root, and that multiplied by the square root of the first one minus the square root of the second term. And we can use this formula in order to solve some problems. So what about solving this problem? How can we express this difference as a product? So basically, we take the first term, right, and we take the square root out of that term. So it would be the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of x to the power of 2, we just divide the exponent by 2. So that means it is x. And we do the same thing with the second term. So the square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of y to the power of 4, we divide 4 by 2, and that is 2. So that means that we have 9y to the power of 2. Now, that means that we can express this difference as 2x plus 9y to the power of 2 multiplied by 2x minus 9y to the power of 2. And that is pretty much it, guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!